So Hiline comes on and we start to try to piece together what we can for 2022 to do an audit. And what there was boxes of receipts and invoices. And Tricia and her husband spent the whole weekend pulling staples and scanning all of those things so that Hiline could get some glimpse of something for 22. That's how bad it was. First steps were certainly what I just described internally, and trying to find out, and Dan helped us do the evaluation, was the status of our current staff. Did they know what they were doing? Were they honest? Were they have any integrity? Did they have any basic knowledge of the task at hand? Where was the vouchering process for the grants? With 31 different grants, that's a lot of vouchers. Every time you do something, you want to get the money back. But that was the biggest part of it, was we found out that we didn't necessarily have all people of integrity working for us. So we started redesigning the job descriptions and job titles and started recruiting for other people in a couple of key positions that could support Hiline's work. Because from the beginning, we knew that we had to have one or two people on the ground in the Vera House administrative office. With Dang's help, we've revamped how our directors account for things and report things so that we're not fishing for it later. What was happening is people were submitting things, but they weren't tying it to a grant. So we've cleaned that up internally with Hiline's help.